Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Boy, I'm tell you Happy New Year to everybody out there. Only hope that the year 2012 will be much better than the year 2011, and we all gonna have a beautiful, beautiful, wonderful time. This is my brethren, Firestone. Why go on you?
Yeah, I'm from there.
Why through your bus and you think I'm going big soon? Can't be seeing you Rasta all over the place, and upon YouTube and everywhere.
There I know, you know?
They say the other day Africa, the other day a video tape Caesar Kalanja and them man there.
Yeah, man.
Thing turn up.
Thing buck.
I tell you. But guess what? Firestone Video Production is the videographer and the video production that is offering a video to the artist that wins Big Stone Talent Explosion. As you know, Big Stone Talent Explosion kicks off on January 28th at 121 Windward Road. That's the Eastern Peace Center, formerly known as Skateland. My friend Firestone, we've been doing this since 1993, 94, when we bust out Turbulence and Warrior King and DYCR and Reagan and Mr. Gaddy Gaddy and all the young artists with the big energy and big vibes coming out back in the days. Now we decided to do it again. This is the year 2012. The date is January 28th. We're gonna turn up the thing real.
Bucket.
We're gonna bucket.
Bucket.
Firestone. Some of the young talent that we videotape, how you feel now knowing that these talent, you see them starting from scratch and they have now become superstars?
Yeah, I'm happy for them, the big one. See what I say? Happy for them. But I don't know what we don't really do it. Why we don't bother to do it for them, you know?
Yeah, old for people now. Well, we have some old for people now. We have Kings and Queens, and you have DJ
and that. We are pushing for diesel and them to come in.
But that's true still. Yeah. We are back in from 1993, 94.
When diesel them time, diesel them in them time.
Yeah, they never
did them time.
Yeah, they never did them time.
Them never did them time.
True.
You see me I say?
The reason why I love how we are doing this still in the Firestone, I love how you stay up on the program, is because talent is very what you call it, important in Jamaica.
Sure.
Most of the youth them now have nothing for them. Most of the youth them stand up, especially the boy picking them, just stand up on the side.
And them have talent.
And them have talent. So what we have decided to do here at Big Stone Records and Production is to launch one of the biggest personal talent competition, which starts on January 28, 2012 at the Eastern Peace Center, 121 Windward Road. The first prize is $25,000 cash, video by Video Stone Production, and a recording contract by Big Stone Record. The second prize is $15,000 cash and a weekend for two at one of the prominent hotels, whether in Kingston or in the Montego Bay or Ocho Rios area. Third prize is $10,000 and a gift basket, courtesy, of course, once again, Big Stone Records and Production. One of the items come out. And guess what? You see, after the talent show finish, we have the artist new thing and go on for the thing. Atabal! Atito!
I want him to tell him talent there now. Come on the thing clean. You see?
Yeah man, come on the thing clean.
Clean. But clean lyrics I do it. So Bob doing thing?
Yeah.
I think I sell that one.
Yeah.
Can't stop sell. Gun thing now gonna away.
Now gonna away.
Now gonna away. Reality.
We don't want to honor woman thing and all that kind of
we don't want to
thing. Nice up the thing, come dress nice to impress, because there also will be prizes for best dress.
Best dress, yeah.
How you carry yourself, how you deliver your lyrics. We have a whole high profile judges that's gonna be here. Too many. You know my friend Stampede I got there because he promised me, say, "Man, come do it," because him love expose a whole heap of young talent. See? So remember the 28th we kick it off with a talent explosion in the first segment, and then party till daylight, Atabal party jam with big bad Atabal from the Atabal movements. I got there. You know Atabal bus big and gone all over the world, Japan, England, Switzerland, all about the place.
You see after the stage show, I just said thing out turn up.
Hey, you have to bring the big screen TV in, but I say you gotta bring the big screen TV and go like you want to flap out Big Stone thing in the brethren. And talk about you left the wire, because sometimes when Firestone for work, him left all him video like. But about I left your video like for this one, you know. Cause all of the girls them come out dress up clean, pretty and bunny donuts, and them gonna want to see themselves on the big screen TV. Then know say Samuel chat him don't like the camera thing, you know. Right now, I don't know who's part to find him, but you see that day that him gonna show up himself. Too tall, slim. That's what his nickname is, Samuel Track. That's his name. Look out for him, he's about 6'4", not a bad looking fella. And you know, he's gonna be there to nice up the place and make the thing nice and coordinate the thing and make the thing work beautiful. So we're looking forward to see you January.